Okay, so here's today's check. And so if you look here on our temperature scale, we've got about 84 degrees there underneath the deck. The lights have been on for almost 2 hours at this point. And just to give you an idea of the ambient air temperature, we're at 64 degrees as proof by the table and the wall. Now the top deck of the machine, it says 72, but it actually was 64. I kind of put my hand on the thermometer, which is why it's now on the other side, because I had my hand on it when I was writing. So that just proves that the light energy is being concentrated here to the plants. It's not spilling over to the table or to the wall or even really the top deck. Now, there's not much happening here yet. It's still pretty early. What we should see first is here with this plant, if we're going to get germination. It says 4 to 7 days. And then over here on this side, we've got a 6 to 12 and a 6 to 10. Here in the back, we've got an 8 to 21. And here we've got a 7 to 14 and a 21 to 28. Well, where did they come up with those numbers? That's the germination rate based off the type of plant that we have in the system. And every single plant has its own germination rate. And so we just have to give it time to let them germinate. And if you notice, there's a gap between the top of that ring and the top of the moss. So even though it might germinate in that 4 to 7 day range, it's going to take it a little bit of time to get up to the ring so we can actually see it. But here's our check for today, and we'll come in and check it again tomorrow, and we'll just keep doing this for as long as we need to.